Hey everybody, Burt McCarty again from Clemson University, and T. Studemeyer being my cameraman. Here we're going to talk about a late season post Poa control trial, which we instigated about 3 weeks ago. And so it's going to show you probably how little control, or at least reduced control, you can expect if you wait that late to control Poa. Again, when we put these plots out, Poa was fully matured, it had tillered out, and had produced seed heads. So let's walk through these and see them. All right, again, we're looking at a late season post Poa control trial in a Bermudagrass golf green. Here is treatment 1, which is the untreated. And so this has been after 3 weeks. And again, we were treating mature Poa as well as some broadleaf weeds. Treatment 2 is kind of an experimental formulation of a commercial product that's called Stay Guard. Stay Guard is on fertilizer carrier. This particular plot was applied at 200 pounds per acre. Stay Guard contains flumioxin, which is currently known as SureGuard. And so here's an experimental formulation at 200 pounds, again, compared to the untreated. We got greener turf, obviously from the fertilizer carrier, some Poa control, some broadleaf weed control, but probably not to the level that customers want at this point. Treatment 3 is also another Stay Guard, but this is at 300 pounds of the product per acre. The previous plot was 200 pounds. Again, with a higher rate, as you might expect, we're getting better control of the Poa as well as the broadleaf weeds, and we're getting some greener turf on the fertilizer. It'd be interesting to see how this plot responds in the next couple of weeks and see if the rest of this Poa and broadleaf weeds will die. All right, Treatment 4 is SureGuard. SureGuard also contains flumioxin, just like the previous 2 plots, except this one is in a liquid formulation. It's 4 pounds per gallon liquid. It was applied at 12 ounces per acre. Again, this is 3 weeks ago. As we typically see with the SureGuard, the Poa has burned down. It's browning out. All of it will probably died. Most of the broadleaf weeds have died too. So a pretty good response with the SureGuard. Next treatment is a combination product of rimsulfuron and metsulfuron with a commercial name Negate. It was applied at 1.5 ounces per acre. Both of these products are sulfonylureas, herbicides. We're having very good results with it on this particular Poa ball type. Again, Poa has died or is dying, as well as the broadleaf weeds. Again, been cool for the last couple of weeks. This product's a little slow, but we are seeing a response that we were after. This treatment is Exonerate. Exonerate is a designated late season Poa control product. This is 2 pound per gallon formulation. It was applied at 5.6 ounces per acre. Again, this is 3 weeks ago. Most times with Exonerate, when you put on mature Poa, you probably need a second application. This particular first application is starting to kill some of the Poa. It's not quite as far along as the Negate or the SureGuard. I know with the sequential application, we'll probably get 100% control. It'll be interesting to see if we get that with just one application. Treatment 7 is one that really came out of our goosegrass control program. And this is Syncor at 5 ounces per acre, followed by watering in. We do that typically with goosegrass. As with Syncor, we have seen with many other trials, it's pretty inconsistent on Poa. Some of the plants have died, some of them have not. Good news is we had no turf burn or turf delayed green up. The Poa control is probably about 60% right now. I'll be interested to see if we get 100% in the next couple of weeks. Treatment 8 is Velocity. It's a new formulation of Velocity. It's a 3.7 pound per gallon formulation. It's actually called Velocity PM, the PM standing for Poa Management. Velocity is an old product that's been on the turf market on and off the last 15 or so years. This particular formulation was applied at the recommended rate of 2.25 ounces per acre. It was applied when it's a little cooler. Temperatures at the time of application were below 6 degrees. Velocity, like Exonerate, likes warmer temperature or responds better to warmer temperatures. We're starting to see the Poa die here with the Velocity treatment. Probably if we had a little bit warmer temperatures at the time of treatment, we'd see quicker results. Again, just like some of these other treatments, it'll be interesting to see how this responds in the next couple of weeks. Our last treatment in this trial is Curb TNO. This formulation is a 3.3 pound per gallon. It was applied at 1 pound active per acre. Again, this has been after 3 weeks. Curb, once you put it on, or if you wait to put it on mature Poa plants, you tend to get very erratic and very slow control. And so we're seeing that here. Some of the Poa is starting to check out, but many plants have not yet. And so with Curb, treating in the spring, a lot of times we get incomplete control of Poa, and if we do get control, it's very slow, and I think that's what we see in this particular plot. As a summary to this post-Poa, late season Poa control trial, as I kind of expected, we're seeing very slow, inconsistent, and probably incomplete control at this point, which again is three weeks after application. At this time, we're probably getting best control with the Negate product as well as the liquid formulation of the SureGuard. Velocity is starting to show some activity, as is the Curb. But again, at this point, the Negate and the Exonerate, the Negate and the SureGuard are showing best control. So we'll keep an eye on this plot, and if things change over the next several weeks, we'll shoot another video. Thank you.